Hello, today we are going to be starting Unit 7 over quadratic functions. So this is going to be all about graphing parabolas and their features and what we can take from each form of a quadratic function. So I have an equation or a function here. We have y equals, and then we have in parentheses x minus 3 minus 1. Well, going back to our Algebra 1 days, we know that this is right 3 down 1, and outside we have a slope of 1. And this is a line. So right 3 down 1 would be this point right here. And then our slope is 1, so we know we're going up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So really no surprise there, nothing different than Algebra 1. Now we are going to go ahead and square this and see how this changes. Now we do know that this is still right 3 down 1, right 3 down 1. And that is our vertex. That is our vertex where we go from decreasing to increasing. Or if we were negative, it'd go from increasing to decreasing, but that's kind of the turning point of this parabola. So this point right here, 3, negative 1, that is known as our vertex. Now, we do have two x-intercepts. We have 2, 0, and 4, 0. So 2, 0, and 4, 0. These are our roots, or we could also call these x-intercepts. Once we get into actual equations, we will talk about how those are also our solutions if we have that equal to 0. Now up here, we do have a y-intercept of 0, 8. So y-intercept here is 0, 8. Y-intercept. And then finally, if you notice, a parabola is symmetric. It looks the same on one side as the other if we were to reflect that. So our axis of symmetry, x equals 3, that is our axis of symmetry. That's where we could reflect this parabola onto itself. So let's look at a few example problems. All right, first one, it says determine the coordinates of the x-intercepts of the parabola. Well, looking at this parabola, we have two x-intercepts. We have one here and we have one here. So my answer, my solution to this is 2 points. And these 2 points, I have 1, 0, and I have 5, 0. Those are the x-intercepts, or the roots, if I wanted to call it that. We got another x-intercepts one. So this one, same thing. We have 2 points, negative 6 and negative 2. So 2 points here. I have negative 6, 0 and negative 2, 0 for my two x-intercepts. Oh man, we got roots again. All right, so the roots of this parabola is 2, 0 and 8, 0. So 2 points here. We have 2, 0 and 8, 0. All right, I might end up skipping the next one if it's roots again. Man, give up. Yes, I want to, there we go. Determine the coordinate of the y-intercept of this parabola. Well, y-intercept here, that is 0, 5. We went left, right, nothing. We went up 5. So my solution here is 1 point, and it is 0, 5. So you should have enough information on how to complete this. It'll ask things about axis of symmetry. It might ask things about roots, vertex, y-intercept, and you should have plenty to go off of from there.